Tom!
The pendulum could probably take out that tower.
Oh, could they? Ah! Pendulums, come back! Okay. Okay. Just take it easy, alright? Ah! Okay. Okay. Should I care? I don't think I need to care. Oh, that tower! The pendulum should be able to take out that tower. Me. Oh! Frames! Flap like a bird! I don't gotta deal with this. I'm out. There we go. Everything's honky-dory. I don't believe this is the right way. Wait, was that the... No, I was gonna say, was that the tower I just destroyed? It turned out it wasn't. Excuse me. Would you kind folks mind going over there? Thank you. Flap! Flap! There we go. Alright, let's get both of these. Nope, just one. Okay, I guess I'm getting one crate. And baboosh! Blast! Alright, chuck another one. Chuck one. Son of a... Just chuck it! Always regrets. Everywhere, always regrets. Lasers? Rackets? Yeah. Ow! Oh. Alright, well, I guess I'm leaving that. Oh! Oh! Ah! Just gonna open this up, excuse me. Where am I going? This level makes one thing perfectly clear. I should probably be somewhere else. Well, spiky ball. Okay, you're dead, but I think a parent is coming to me. Unless, nope. Yeah. Ha! Flap!
Whoa, this is too fast! Much faster than what I'm used to!
Hey, could you, like, not? Ah! Oh, jeez, him! Things have gone expectedly awry. I don't even like bread. Boing. Yeah, but charge of confetti. Can I go in? No. Where do I go? I'm guessing. What? What killed them? What killed them?
Let's clean up this trap.
Oh. Stop trying to sound cool. It's not working. In fact, it's going horribly wrong for you. There we go! Probably should have used them as ammo for this guy. What the frick? Oh, I kind of needed that. Just stop that! For goodness sake. Is he dead yet? He's still alive! God, Jesus! God, Jesus! Oh, I guess I didn't need the pendulum. Hope I make it! I leave you alone for 5 seconds and you destroy the bridge. Good job, idiots. You know what? I'm done with you. I'm just gonna flap over there like the bird that I am and be fine. You know what? I'm done with you. I wash my hands of you guys. I'm going in here with all my new cool friends. With all my new cool... What the hell is happening? I just hear explosions. Like, everywhere. Oh, there are my cool new friends. Ow. Okay, let's start off with this. And boom. Okay. Cool new friends. Got it. Did I go in from the wrong side? Is that why I did that? Uh-oh. All right, dead. Good. Ah! A trap! A crate!
That container might help me move forward.
Yeah! I made a bad decision! Thank goodness there was a checkpoint there.
That container might help me move forward.
Flap! Okay. Anytime you want to stop shooting missiles at me would be great. And then... What up, party? I've sent them to the void. They're in the Shadow Realm. I've learned from Mephiles how to do that. Great. Great. Alright. It looks like I need to parkour my way over there. Parkour. Okay. Parkour. Okay. Ah! Flap! Okay. Oh! I've destroyed everything. Uh-oh. Alright, got him. Whoops. I don't even know how that happened. Alright, let's do it! Or not, considering that thing doesn't want to follow me. Uh-oh. Open the door! Balls! Ugh. And you're dead! Alright. Everything is... Oh, one of them survived. So you just killed yourself? Okay. Iggy! Okay. See, now that's just like foul play right there. These are things that I can't condone. Iggy! Iggy! Sweet. All right. Ah! He shot both his balls at me! I have harnessed my telekinetic powers! I'll take it from... Oh, great. Oh, no. Oh, no, okay. I have to do this part again? Oh, this wasn't fun the first time. What makes you think I want to do it again? People really enjoyed the part where you had to try and angle your homing attack just right. Just right. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. I don't even remember any Sonic's abilities. I don't think he had any good ones, to be honest. He had chips that I never used. Oh. As they say in Snock X, good to go first. Or either more... Yep, more spawn. Ah! Into a wall. Keypad? Oh, yeah, here we... Oh. Hold on, guys. Let me just strap on my Nikes.
I'll go on ahead.
It didn't do anything! They should have blew up, but they didn't! Okay, I need those rings. This is like bullet time. I feel like I'm doing a I'm in a bullet time game right now. Oh shit. I need rings. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I see things that can launch bombs at me. And me without my rings. Oh! Oh no, this looks dreadfully difficult. Great. For once I agree with you, Sylv. Well, I'm gonna get that back any second now. I thought that bit in the song where it goes, ah, was somebody dying. And flag over here. Good. Ah! Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, that's what I need to do it for. Graphics of a PS2. Able to... Can you just, like, launch... there we go, thank you. Okay, now what I wanted to do. Can you launch a couple rockets at me, please? Thank you. Let me just step over here. There we go. Ew. Oh, can you shoot another one at me, please? Hurry! Ah! That's a lot of rockets! Okay, can I just, there we go. I thought I killed you! Iggy, you're the one who taught Silver how to fly, didn't you? Oh, thank you, Iggy. Thank you for taking the load off. Iggy, we're getting dangerously close to the water here. Long-ass level. Oh. Oh, joy. The joys of painting. Ow. I didn't hurt anybody. I did nothing to nobody. Ah! 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 You stop that! Shame to you! Not where I'm supposed to go. Ah!
Great!
That's just grape. And B? B.
That was easy.
Easy. Why'd I do that? Live long and prosper. Also take it easy.